In this video, we're going to step through the process of adding Tag Manager site support to your web page. So the first thing you need to do is go to google.com/tag manager, or you can search for it in Google search. Just search Tag Manager and you should be able to find the link to this web page right here that we're looking at. Now the next thing we need to do is sign up. So the big blue button, sign up now. If you're already logged in with your Gmail account into your web browser, then it's going to take you to the screen that you're going to see here in a moment. This one right here. So it'll take you to this screen. Now, if you're not signed into your browser, you'll be prompted to do so. So you'll receive a prompt saying, please put in your Gmail account information, your Google account information. Now, the next step is to set up our Tag Manager account. So we'll give it a name. Let's call this My Homepage. And then we have the option to share data anonymously with Google and with others. So if you mouse over the little question mark at the end of that sentence, then you can read about what it is they're trying to do with this. So it enables benchmarking by sharing your data anonymously, and all identifiable information about your website is removed and then combined with hundreds of other anonymous sites. So we can double click to select that and then click on Continue. The next thing is to set up a container for your web page. So let's call this My Homepage Container. And then we can choose Web, iOS, if you were going to be setting this up for an Apple iOS device, for an Apple app, or Android. So we're going to choose Web in this case, and then we click on Create. Now we have to read through our terms and conditions. And once you've read through all of that, you can click on Yes, and it's going to create the container. Notice here at the top, it's actually switched over to the container from the Admin tab to the Container tab. The next step is to install the Google Tag Manager. So we need to highlight all of this code and then copy it, and we're going to paste it into our website. But make note here that we're copying the code below and pasting it onto every page of our website. So not just our title page, but every single page on our site. And we're going to place it immediately after the opening body tag. All right, so now we need to open up our index.html. We'll open up that with Notepad. There's our HTML body tag, and we're going to paste in the Tag Manager. Now we're going to save that. And if we had multiple web pages on our website, then you would do this for every page that's on your site. Once it's been saved, you can close that and then use your FTP server or your FTP client to update your website. Now we can click on OK. Now, if you lose that code snippet and you want to get back to it again, right here next to My Homepage Container, you can see there's a hyperlink for GTM. That's your Google Tag Manager. You can click on that and it brings back up that code snippet. So if you need to find that again, that's where you would go for that. So that's how you would create a Google Tag Manager account and then take the Google Tag Manager code snippet and insert it into your web page's HTML.